Hello and welcome. Now in this course, we're going to continue to explore Zapier. And in particular, you'll notice that if you have typed into the search bar, you may have typed in the word Zapier. And if you did, you'll notice that there are a number of different applications for you to explore. Now these do not fall under web applications. However, they are very important in doing different kinds of automations. And we'll look at the most relevant ones in this course. You may have also noticed during your own exploration that there are multi-step automations. We'll review some of those automations in this course. We'll also take a look at some more complex social media automations. So in the next video, we'll get started by looking at multi-step integrations. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.